Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Thinkings. In this tutorial we are going to draw a girl with a pencil. In the world where color blends and dreams take shape, one girl dares to defy boundaries and capture the essence of beauty on paper. With her trusty pencil as her wand, she conjures magic, waving tales of wonder and enchantment. Join us on the journey as we delve into the heart of creativity with Inspire Art Linkings, or muse, and witness the extraordinary unfold on the canvas of Inspire Art Linkings. Step into the world where the whisper of imaginations become bold declaration of artistry. Through her skilled hand, ordinary line transforms into an extraordinary masterpiece, each stroke a testament to her boundless creativity. Join us on the mesmerizing journey of inspiration and discovery as we embark on a visual odyssey with Inspire Art Linkings, or guide through the wondrous realm of Inspire Art Linkings. Watch as we guide you through the process of sketching, detailing, and coloring to create your own masterpiece. Unleash your creativity and let your imagination drive as we explore the intersection of art and innovation. Get ready to rev up your artistic skills and embark on a unique crafting adventure. Subscribe now for more inspiring tutorials and unleash your inner artist with Inspire Art Linkings. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.